guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mika and today I'm checking out the Karin Pro brush markers. It's my first time trying them and I'm gonna be blending and showing you the swatches of the basic sets. So the first method is tip to tip. That is very popular and it's just consisting on touching the tips of both of your markers together to blend to do a blending piece, colors. The lightest color is the one that is gonna receive the darker color, so it shows on the paper like you're gonna see here. So I did notice that the color, the tip of the brush pen, like it cleans up pretty quickly. I needed to retouch the two tips together again because it gets clean like that, you see. So there is no damage to your marker. Actually, Karin markers nibs are really long lasting. They remind me of the Sharpie stain in that matter, and as you see as the eco line for you to compare it to something. The second method is to pick it up. So pick it up, you grab just a piece of acrylic or ceramic, you choose your colors, make sure they are a good combination, unlike the one you're seeing here. And you're gonna lay the darker on the acrylic or ceramic and you're gonna pick it up with the lighter color again and you're gonna write down your word like you see. But this color combination truly sucks. I don't recommend you to use it. So I'm gonna do a second example with a better shade, but again it has the same effect as the first one. It's just done in a different way. So the third example is a pink and purple and it looks just way better. So choosing the right shades to do this is really important. Don't forget, color theory like me. And that's it. It looks awesome, and again your tip is gonna be like nothing happened here, so it's perfect. And another way to use your Karin is with watercolor, because they are watercolor markers. So you have your watercolor paper, you lay down your work like I did here with a very light gray. And the way I did it for this example was just laying pieces of color directly on the paper, because Karin markers can do that. And then with a watercolor brush I picked a little bit of water and I just made them join in the middle, like I joined the two colors together and it created a gradient on its own that looked pretty nice. This is just one way to do watercolor lettering. There are many other ways and I'm gonna be showing you soon a more in-depth tutorial on watercolor lettering. Lately I've been falling in love with it, so I'm just trying to find what is the easiest way for me, and I'm gonna be talking to you about it soon in another video. So you can do it like the whole word and then do the watercolor, or you can do it letter by letter as you're seeing in this example. So I'm gonna speed it up a little bit more and I'm gonna show up so you see the rest of the process for this, because the tutorial is coming, so stay tuned for that. well guys, that's all for this video. I hope you find it helpful. Don't forget to give me a like or a thumbs up or subscribe. And what can I tell, the Karin markers are not just hype, they are really good quality. The colors are amazing. It feels amazing to write with them against the paper, so I highly recommend them. Just they're pricey, but they are so worth it. So stay tuned for the next video, and I hope to see you next week. Bye.